Hey, what is going on, guys? Mazda Mania back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the 2024 Mazda 3. We're expecting a redesign after we saw the fourth generation Mazda 3 making its debut back in 2018, so it definitely makes sense to see that redesign coming in then. And we're taking a look at the Japanese model, which has already been revealed. Obviously maybe some minor differences, but it gives us a good glimpse of the interior updates. 10.25-inch display for the infotainment screen, USB-C ports, everything you need, which is obviously an improvement from the previous generation. Also, some safety and technology improvements will be included most likely as well. And the Sky Active 1.5 model is the only one that doesn't get some of these standard tech features that I just mentioned: the My Mazda app, My Mazda My Car Care, and things of that nature. Again, we're expecting most likely the same powertrains. I'm not 100% sure yet. That's one of the main question marks that remain, but nonetheless, we could be seeing some hybridizations, some discussions of the different rotary motors. But again, the Mazda 3 is one of their better sellers. You have the sedan and obviously the hatchback options. And with that being said, we expect the price to be somewhere between 18 and 32,000 US MSRP. And again, pretty exciting stuff for Mazda for the future. We obviously saw some EVs, some plans for some future different models as well as the CX-90, which is going to be an exciting one for sure.